Hello everyone. I know I could do this a different day, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it a little bit right now in my new book, Nature Mandalas. So this video will be called Beautiful Nature, Beautiful Nature Coloring Section. And this is my guy before. Reading your fall color. So let's see what I can finish off with. I'll call it Beautiful Nature Coloring Section. By the way, very funny. Funny. I know it's supposed to be all coloring video, but I know there's a lot of coloring video, but sometimes I like to mix it. But me, I like to mix it up my video, so that way I'll be doing a different topic, but not a coloring one. Like coloring utensils I use for coloring and other stuff that I have in mind. So I will be doing a video either tomorrow or Friday. That video will be called Good Luck to Emily Lockwood and her baby name coming up, Kaiser. So I'll be doing that video this week. But some will be coming video and everything, but it's whatever that gets my mood into. Like and subscribe to my video, Clinton videos. And like and subscribe to Corey Morgan's video as well. And Grant Gubden band video as well. You see these, I'm going for like little tiny spots that I can kind of do. stay tuned. I will do a late night coloring session later on today. So stay tuned. Who is the cookie? Nobody ate the dark cookie. Sorry, it's in my eye. Okay, now sorted all this right now. So, here all this, my YouTubers, look what I got. And yes, this book is new because I got it today. I'll be doing this book late tonight. Late night. Knock, knock. I'm not home. Okay, knock, knock, I'm not home. I know I could do it for you, but I didn't do all of it. But I will record again to do this video. This is what I have for now. This is what I have for now. And again, this new book, these are my dollars. Stay tuned for the next video. And like, subscribe to this video, and also hit that like button as well.